Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the night vision goggles are in your hand and ready. This is critical. Once you spawn, switch to the goggles before entering dark zones because doing it later wastes battery while fumbling. Make sure to keep your flashlight for corridors and quick checks. Use goggles for extended searches. Listen for environmental cues as you move. These guide where to scan first. You're saving time, battery, and reducing panic. Simple steps that let you work efficiently from the first room. You proceed by scanning methodically. Sweep the room left to right and step forward in 1 to 2 meter increments because steady coverage reduces missed evidence. Once done with the perimeter, focus on corners and hiding spots where orbs, fingerprints, or cold spots show up more often. Make controlled head movements to let orbs pass into view instead of darting your camera. This improves detection. Remember to note what you see aloud if playing with others, since verbal confirmation helps track evidence and avoid duplication. You finish by conserving the last battery. Toggle the goggles off during retreats and when crossing lit areas because preserving charge matters for late-game hunts. If the goggles glitch or freeze, quickly drop them and pick them up to force a reset. Alternatively, switch to your flashlight for a few seconds, then re-equip. This clears common bugs. Make sure to record locations of any evidence on your journal or tell teammates before leaving. That way you leave with usable info and a working tool for the next sweep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.